Hi, I'm Kurt and this is Chris with Celebrity Custom Homes. We're going to show you how to properly test your sump pump. First, locate your sump pump access. Open it up and have a 5-gallon bucket of water that you can use to pour down into the sump pump. Pour water into sump pump and fill up until the pump discharge pipe kicks on. Make sure that the discharge pipe on the outside of the home is running away from the house. This is something that you want to do every 6 months, typically in spring and in fall,